There is a problem in Oklahoma. Every day, thousands of people sit in jail without being formally convicted of a crime. The state has one of the highest pretrial incarceration rates in the country, with nearly 70% of those incarcerated having not even been convicted of a crime. This current pretrial system isn't just unfair, it's also very inefficient. Having thousands of people sitting in jail without having been convicted of a crime wastes their lives and costs taxpayers millions of dollars. There are 3 essential pieces to creating a pretrial justice system that is efficient and fair. The first is providing people with guaranteed access to counsel. The Sixth Amendment states that every American citizen has the right to legal representation for their defense, which was confirmed at the state level through the outcome of Gideon versus Wainwright. The right to counsel has become a major issue in Oklahoma, where people remain in jail waiting for legal counsel to be assigned. Some people wait up to 90 days to receive counsel, spending that time behind bars. Oklahomans should have the right to legal counsel for their initial hearing. Doing so would ensure that they are able to consult with their counsel before and during the hearing. Imagine you're in jail in Oklahoma. You're now awaiting an initial hearing where a judge can assess the charges against you and set a bail amount. But what you don't know is that in Oklahoma, many people wait in jail for over a week before even appearing before a judge. So you sit in jail and you wait, and wait, and wait, waiting to have your initial hearing. This is not how the justice system should work. Each day that you spend in jail is a day of your life wasted and taxpayer money spent on something that could have been completely avoided. Instead of waiting to receive a hearing, the courts must be mandated to hold initial hearings with arrested individuals within 48 hours of arrest, on weekdays and within 72 hours on weekends. With hearings happening within 48 or 72 hours, defendants will no longer have to spend unnecessary time in jail and are able to post bail to fight their case outside of a cell. With so much going on in our lives, it can be hard to remember important dates and appointments. Usually if you miss an appointment, you can just reschedule with no repercussions. This is not true if you miss a court date. Missing a court date can have serious repercussions on a person's life. That's why the third essential piece of a fair pretrial system is court date reminders. Missing a court date is referred to as FTA, failure to appear, and can result in being arrested and spending time in jail. Time and money is being wasted arresting and incarcerating people for what is simply a scheduling error. In Tulsa County, those jailed for FTAs remain incarcerated for an average of 15 days, costing taxpayers $1.2 million in jail costs alone. With automated court reminders, individuals would receive a text or email reminding them of their upcoming court appearance. This is a service that the Bail Project has offered to clients, resulting in a 92% court appearance rate. During the initial hearing, the defendants would provide their contact information to the judge and then be automatically enrolled in a court notifications program to ensure they receive regular notifications before each court appearance. The reminders would then be scheduled for 1 week, 3 days, and 1 day before each court appearance. Implementing effective court reminders could save Oklahoma $1.75 million annually. Having regular court notifications will ensure that Oklahomans know when to show up for court and can consistently attend their court dates, leading to a decrease in those being jailed for missed court appearances. These 3 pieces of a fair and just pretrial system are all common sense. They're cost-effective and they save money for the state. The less unnecessary time Oklahomans spend in jail, the more taxpayer money is being saved. With access to counsel, timely bail hearings, and court reminders, we can ensure that Oklahoma's pretrial system is built to serve all people equally.